Ready na yan. Hello, friend.
Hello.
Hi. Good morning
Good
again.
Good morning,
Ready?
Canada. The part 2.
We are here, friend.
Wow.
Ganda, friend.
Beautiful place.
Beautiful.
Wow. Hi, what's your step? What's your step?
Yes. This is an Aton Lake
Wow.
Regional Park. Very beautiful place.
Mhm.
And very nice. Very peaceful place. Friend,
Yeah.
Aton Lake Regional Park. Very peaceful. Very nice place. Look around. You're still here. Come here, friend. Here. What's your step?
Yeah. Huwag mahulog ang cellphone. Huwag nahulog ang cellphone, tapos kapalaran.
Come here.
Follow you?
Careful.
Nagalaw man.
Careful. What's your step?
Hello. It's a nice place.
You're looking around, my friend.
Yeah.
Ganda ng view.
Yeah, the view is beautiful. Beautiful as
Yeah.
as you. Beautiful like you. Ga- Gandang Pilipina.
Beautiful weather here.
Gandang Pilipina.
Yeah. Beautiful here.
Yeah.
Very nice place.
Very nice place.
Look around, friend.
Yeah.
So nice.
Hello, Canada.
Yeah.
Here's the Canada. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah.
Maybe someday we have a new one.
Wow.
Here.
And then yung jowa.
This is my 2 times here.
Where's your
Last year,
jowa?
our first time, we go to here, and then this is my 2nd time.
Yeah.
So nice, very nice place, beautiful place at Aton Lakes Regional Park. And then today is a very good weather.
Good weather.
Yeah. It's almost 10 o'clock, friend.
Yeah, it's
This
almost.
morning,
Yeah.
August 17,
17.
2024.
Yeah, 24. Our gala.
Very nice. You look around here sa place, friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see the beautiful place of Atom. Where's the place? Where's Atom Lake?
Aton Lakes
Aton
Regional
Lake.
Park.
Wow.
Here. Very nice place here.
And
And
very
then,
nice.
Everyone, we visit here. So very beautiful, very nice place, very peaceful place. If you want to go or camping,
Yeah.
yeah, you go to here.
Atom
Very nice
Lake.
place.
Atom Lake Management. Baka naman.
Yeah,
Baka naman.
very nice place.
Yeah.
And then some different we buy
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Yeah. That is yours? That is yours?
We are negotiable.
Very good.
Kabilang mo.
Wow, it's good.
Yes.
Good to hear that.
Look,
Wow. That's all?
that's all. Like me.
No?
You too.
Picture na lang tayo.
Okay, picture. Okay. Okay, magpipicture tayo. Okay. Look, that's my beautiful friend.
Wow, thank you so much. Hello, Canada.
Hello, Canada. And there in the Philippines, all over there.
Oh, the owl is he's the head of the owl is like
Yeah. My motto is
I feel
our life is very short, and then we just very happy all the time.
Video.
Yes. Stay happy, stay smile, and beautiful.
Always.
We are negotiable. My God, joke, joke, joke.